for coming to this press conference. This is the first time Suchi conducting this kind of charity run. This is quite different from a run of other organization because this is a charity run. The proceeds will go to sponsoring students for them to study. Thank you very much.
Aside from having fun in the run, we also help a scholar. Not just one scholar, but you also help their family. That's a very good activity that you can join right now. Thank you very much to all who participated and who helped in our scholarship.
Pinagkaiba nito is 100% charity. No? That's one. Second is yung kits natin are made of recyclable materials. For me and for Run Rio, this is also our giving back to Chuchi Foundation na makapag-organize ng event, and being part of the program is something na we are actually proud of.
Ako po si Sydney Antoinette Alipaw, 22 years old. Kasalukuyan pong third year journalism student sa UP Diliman. Si Papa po ay isang tricycle driver, at si Mama naman po ay isang housewife. So ang source of income po talaga sa household namin ay yung pagpamamasada na po ni Papa. Sila po yung nag-mold sa akin kasi mula po bata scholar na po ako. So lahat po ng values siguro ay na-instill na po sa akin kasi dito na po ako parang nagkaisip, nag-mature. So yung mga lessons po sa pagiging disiplinado, pagiging mapagpahalaga sa buhay, hindi lang sa buhay ng tao, pati na rin sa mga ibang nilalang. Parang na-instill na po sa akin ng Suchi.